Hi guys, it's Sparkle. Today we're going to talk about spring and summer eyeshadow palettes.
Let's start with palette number 2 from Mainline Cosmetics. Using a palette like this, you have your plums, gold tones, and silver. Craving more color? Try the Supreme Being palette by Glamazon Beauty Cosmetics. Coral is a great color for spring and summer. For maximum color payoff, I like to use a primer or a mattifying concealer to apply my shadow and blend. Want to turn it up a notch? Add a pop of gold and or silver right in the middle. And you're all done. Great tones for spring, great tones for summer. One last trend. If you're feeling a little extra, you can always add some lashes. Just don't go overboard. Until next time.